welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the winning head coach, L.A. Tenorio. Coach, congrats, and how happy are you with the performance of your import, Clint? He really showed up today with 42 points and 14 rebounds, and your assessment on how well he gels with the team.
First of all, I want to syempre thank the Lord for this victory. I've been really, praying for us to get to catch a elite team. We haven't been playing and beating big teams, So I motivated the team, and I want to give credit also to not only to Clint. Clint, he knows he knows how important every game now. He's a vet. That's why we got him, because we know that he can show up, especially in the big stage. So I think more than Clint, he done his part, but I think I have to give credit to the whole team, especially the coaching staff. For the game plan that we had, we really focus, and yung discipline namin with our game plan. I think this is the first time, na I've been coaching this Ginebra, that we really executed our game plan until the end of the buzzer. So that's why I'm really happy with this win, not because of just the win, but how we won this game. And it's just show that, I think, that this team is slowly, getting the things na yung mga gusto kong ipagawa sa kanila defensively and offensively. And I hope, I hope that this is not. I hope this is the start. Because we're in the playoffs. Every game is very important for us, and this is a big win for us.
The floor is now open if the media has any questions.
Coach, all have 53 points, but mukhang yung mga locals parang inaatak siguro yung Ilocos niya, tama ba?
Nabasa mo rin kulang pa nga We wanted him to score 80 points, actually, target namin. But the most dangerous part on this team, that's why they are a champion team, is not because of their import. Of course, malaking bagay yung import nila, but I have so much respect on their locals. Ever since I've been playing against them, it's been their locals who's really giving other teams problem. So we really decided, as a coaching staff, we really decided to make that decision that, Ball will do his thing. Definitely, he's a legit NBA guy. He's a very tall guy. He will, even though we deny him, we cannot deny him. So we decided just, let him do his thing. We let him do his thing, and then we focus on the locals.
Coach, with Clint playing this nicely, tapos would you agree na ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-consistent na outing niya as a whole?
Yes, just like what I've said kanina, this is the first time talaga na we executed our game plan until the end of the game. Yung mga ibang games namin, medyo there's some mistakes here and there, bad decision making, whether it's on offense or defense. But this time around, they were focused, and I challenged them. Sinabi ko lang sa kanila, if I may say, this Talk and Text team, malaki utang sa kanila bago pa ako dumating. So it's an extra motivation for them, this Talk and Text team beat them twice before I came, and then last conference they eliminated us. So ano ba bang motivation ng pwede natin makuha, before going to this game? So yun yung extra motivation na sinabi ko sa kanila, and they responded, especially my vets, So yun.
You had family coming over here. How inspired were you during the game?
I mean, it's always a blessing to have family come and visit. I think my mom's been to 10 countries now to see me play. I feel very lucky, very blessed, and I don't know if you could be more motivated than when mom's in the house. My big brother, he's a coach back home, and he hasn't seen me play in maybe 10 years, so that's just another addition to it. So aside from that, the motivation we needed for this game already was big enough. We knew this was a playoff game. We knew this is a game we needed to win in all angles. And so, yeah, it's fun. It's fun to, this is why you play the game, these games like this.
Do we know where your brother is coaching?
Canby High School in Oregon. That's where I graduated from.
Coach, may isa pa pang matinding kalaban na Meralco. Not sure kasi kung sort of place to pa yun or what, pero ano pong focus niyo for
Well, we talked about it. No, our focus is we get wins before we get a momentum going into the playoffs. Again, iba rin kasi ang feeling when you beat a team na alam mong contender eh. Because we haven't, since last conference hindi pa namin nagagawa yun eh. I think this is our first time to beat a team na contender talaga. So I hope this win will be the blueprint, no, for us to go to the next level. And yun naman yung goal namin eh. Diba? Hindi naman, sabi ko nga sa kanila, are we contented that we're here in the quarterfinals? Diba? So it's gonna be a lot of work against Meralco. They've been really playing really well, no? Defensively. Yung chemistry nila, ibang klase rin yung chemistry nila, and they're very well coached. So, but again, we'll be ready. Definitely we'll be ready. Especially that's the last game of the elimination, going to the playoffs. We have to have a momentum going into that playoffs games.